Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Chandragan, and today we will do unboxing and review about this Elgato HD60S. But before we start our video, please make sure hit the subscribe button, and if you like my content, please also click the like button. Let's get started. Let's open. So inside the box, actually, there's only 5 items in here. So there's the Elgato game capture itself. So here the output, and then here's the input for the HDMI and for the cable connector to the laptop and the audio input itself. So there's only the free sticker. So if you like to stick in everywhere or another, or and this is the guidebook, and this is the cable to connect to your laptop, and this one the HDMI that you want to connect maybe to your Switch, your Xbox, or your PS4. So there's only 5 items in here.
So let's have a test with the Kingdom Hearts. We do some gameplay. If it's have a lagging or delay, like the remote play, but I think it has no problem if I see, because it just run very smooth. It's very different when you play like the remote play. Sometimes it has delay and it's very annoying, and sometimes it's become blurry. Yeah, so guess you can use it also for to play your PS4 in your laptop. Finally, for me it's very convenient for me. I don't know why, because I don't really like to play in my PC or monitor or TV, even TV. For me it just works very good. There's no delay or something. I like it. Now we want to test our Elgato for the Nintendo Switch. Is it working like in the TV or not? Actually, it works very well. Uh, I don't have any complaint about it. It's just very good. Yeah, it's just running very well for Pokemon Sword and Shield. I think this is better when you play on your Nintendo in handheld mode, because there's no FPS dropping. Because I remember when I go here, usually it will be like the FPS will drop, but this one works exactly as like your TV. So the graphic is also much better than like in the handheld mode. So this is can be confirmed that Elgato used same as like the TV, because obvious they are using the HDMI, so it's pretty good. So if you want to know how to connect, actually it's very easy. Just add in here, I use Streamlabs, and just video capture, and then add sources, and just add new source instead, and then add, and just choose the game capture. So yeah, you can stream freely with this one. So for me, Elgato 60S, this is, if you ask me, this is good or not. I think this is very good if you are using console.
So I try to use my Elgato as an input to my laptop, and this is the view of the display capture. So it's just about the same with the other software like the Streamlab. If you use the display capture, so it just like capture your monitor or your laptop. So yeah, it didn't have anything special, so it just like same. If you ask me what's the benefit, there's no benefit. I think it's just about the same. It just like that make it different is the software itself, but if the physics or the view it's just about the same. There's no something like wow it's very clear or it's not blurry, it's just about the same. So if you just want to buy Elgato for to connect to your PC, better I recommend it, do not buy it because it's just waste your money. Now after we go through all the unboxing to the summary of the Elgato's 660S, I have the 3 point in here. First is it's work very good with the PS4 and Switch. Also the OBS in here mean that uh, the Elgato itself works very stable. There's no delay like the remote play like I usually do before. It's sometimes lagging, there's a delay, and it sometimes become blurry. So it didn't happen in the Elgato itself. It's for very smooth, and the Switch also, especially it's run as same like the TV, not like the handheld that sometimes have the FPS drop, but this one no, this is very good and stable. The graphic also very nice, same like TV. The second is very beneficial if you tend to become the console streamer. So if you like to become the console streamer, you are really like 90 to 80% all your stream goes to the PS4, Nintendo Switch. It's very beneficial because it's very convenient. You don't have to transfer all your gameplay if let's say you play in the PS4 to the PC, and it can directly capture from the PC and you just upload it or you just edit, so it's become very convenient, especially if you have Switch. Maybe if you have Switch, because Switch only 30 seconds of recording, so you cannot record like more than 1 minute. And third is the display capture for the PC is just about the same with the others. If you use Streamlab, VLC or something like that, another software, it's just about the same. There's nothing any feature, so it's just about the same. There's nothing like you say like oh it has a better quality. No, it's just about the same. So it's just not worth for to buy. And it well integrated with the OBS. I tried with the Streamlabs as a OBS. It's worked very well. That's why it's pretty good. So Elgato is very support for your stream. So come to the conclusion. Should I buy? Is it worth? So the choice, it's up to you. So I have the 3 reason why you should buy, and there are other 2 reason why you don't have to buy. First is why you need to buy is first mainly console streamer. If you're really a mainly console streamer, you are like 90% you are using console to stream your uh, gameplay or something like that to your viewer. Yeah, it's very worth. Or you want to make a YouTube video from your PS4 or your Nintendo Switch. Yeah, it's very worth. Second is console gamer, especially Nintendo Switch. If you're really type that you don't like to become a streamer, but you really like to share your gameplay to your friends, uh, especially if you're a Nintendo Switch user, I highly recommend it because Nintendo Switch you only can capture 30 seconds of the recording, so it's very short. You cannot do like 1 minute. So if you really like to have to share your gameplay with your friends, yeah, I highly recommend it with that, and you should buy. Three, you want convenient. It is mean that if you're sometimes lazy, you don't want to put hassle in some work, you should buy it. And it, and if you type of the people like me that really don't like to play the console in monitor or TV, and you prefer to play in your laptop, yeah, it will be worth if you have like extra money. But if not, it's not really that worth. But if you really have that money, yeah, you can buy. Same like me, because I really lazy to play on TV and a computer. I don't know why, so that's why I buy. This is one of the reason why I buy the Elgato also, to play on my laptop. Besides, I want to become the streamer. The second is, don't buy if first you are the PC gamer or streamer. Really, I warn once again, PC gamer and streamer, it has nothing to do. It doesn't have any benefit. It just like both the same. There's no like to say, oh, it's more like have better quality, or like it didn't blur or something like that. It's just both the same. It just like depends on your resolution, and depends on your software. So trust me, don't buy if you are PC or PC streamer or gamer. Second is, you are okay to put effort in here, means that if you're okay to transferring like from your PS4 to your PC, or you record manually from your PS4, and then you are transfer or your share to your PC and something like that, you are okay to put effort, I will say don't buy it. Because it has like no beneficial at all, especially if you are using PS4. Because if you want to have effort, yeah, just put some work, it's okay, and don't buy Elgato. because because if you are using especially PS4, you actually can capture it from your PS4 directly, and you just need to transfer or share directly to Facebook and something like that. Yeah, it has more hassle, of course, but if you are okay with it, just don't buy it. So yeah, that's my conclusion. All the choice, it's up to you, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.